The Triple-E class is the world's largest container vessel. It's class designed for efficiency, economy of scale, and environmentally improved. The first Triple-E class ship is named for Mærsk Mc-Kinney Møller, recently deceased former CEO of Maersk. Designed for lower speeds, it started with a simple idea: move at lower speed. A small change in knot cuts fuel consumption and lowers CO2 emissions. The Triple-E is designed to be efficient across vessel operations. Breaking the world record. Maersk Line continues to break its own records and sets new standard for the shipping industry. The capacity of the Triple-E vessel will set a new world record, surpassing the capacity of Emma Maersk by 16%. From Regina Maersk to the Triple-E class, Maersk has designed the largest container in the world since 1996. Smart transport. Different modes of transport have different climate impact. Her efficiency is maximized by fuel-efficient engines and a maximum speed of 23 knots, reducing her fuel consumption of carbon dioxide emissions by 20%, compared to the previous most efficient cargo vessel.